Alright, welcome to this week's video, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are we doing?
Going to a flower festival.
So we're in Toowoomba, a couple of hours away from home.
2 hours.
And
We haven't been at Toowoomba since 5 years ago.
yeah, we haven't been here for 5 years. And there's a big flower festival on, so we're going to go and check out the flower festival. We just got to follow Mum. Down here.
It's really busy, man.
Crucial flowers cost $6 or $7.
Alright, where do we go? Let's go.
Yeah. I want to get behind you.
We don't really know what we're doing, do we?
Nope.
Nope.
That's why I just always go behind you guys.
There's a Ferris wheel, and it's moving. It's moving fast.
Not as fast as the Mickey one.
The
No?
Mickey one?
Yeah, there's a Mickey one.
Put your head in. Smile for you. Yay. That's food down that way. Well, lots of people this way. Let's go up this way.
What's the quickest?
This way.
Look how long the lines for the Ferris wheel, bro.
Yeah.
What is that?
I really want to go on that. So,
Festival, mate.
Stupid flowers.
Yeah, stupid flowers. Everyone.
Flowers can't be that good.
You might be the only one thinking that they're silly.
they are.
Stupid 6 or 7 of them won't last that long.
No, that's why it's a festival. It only comes around when the start of spring. What's that say?
It's like a...
Oh, it shows you where to go.
Wait, there's a thing right here too.
Okay.
We are right here. Where do we want to go?
Display gardens.
Where's that?
That way.
Display gardens.
Up that way.
That way.
Where everybody else is.
The Ferris wheel would be better at night.
What's that?
Only if we had a selfie stick. That would be nice.
Hey, selfie stick.
Oh, what's that?
Do you want to stay on the path or
Yeah, I want to stay right here.
not in the sun? What, though?
Wouldn't it be good if you could have sent me drone up?
They probably
No, you wouldn't be allowed. Otherwise, everyone would.
probably wouldn't be allowed because you don't know what people it could. You don't know where it is because it's so small and there's too many people. Somebody could steal it, you know.
Yeah. Which ones? Look, cabbages.
Where are the oh.
Dad, where were we over there? Where were we?
I don't know. I don't know how to do it. I'm not sure where we are. Don't worry about that. We just look and get lost. Look at these ones. They look like cabbages.
Sure they do.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yum.
they are.
What do you think?
I don't know.
They're good? Smile.
It's boring because it's flowers, but it's still good because there's a Ferris
Boring, but
wheel.
they're pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And like, Dad, since they added the Ferris wheel and all that, those food, it just makes it actually an attraction. So oh yeah, Dad, right over there, that's there, that's that.
Oh, that's over there.
Alfred Farmers
Hey,
Memorial.
look, Dad, look, Dad.
There's a cannon somewhere.
Mom, there's a cannon watcher somewhere.
Oh.
Yeah, look.
Mum. Nothing cannon, does it?
Tyler's not impressed.
And then
By
the
the flowers.
Alfred Farmers Memorial is over there.
Truthfully, I am. I'm wanna stand impressed. up and Gives me ideas for flower gardens.
Yeah, Mom.
Get base ideas.
Come and have a look at this. Hi.
I said she should tell the camera.
Oh, I thought you said Emma or something. So I have a garden.
like that. Flowers. And then a bridge over it. Look how pretty that is.
There's a fancy dynamic lodgement.
And then you got the bridge. We're here to look at the flowers.
I'm trying to find which path are we.
Well, where's the monument?
The monument is right there.
There. So we must be up here somewhere. There's a roundabout there. Goes onto the monument, so we're here somewhere maybe.
No, we'll
What? What?
We're going over here.
Do you see that?
Oh, the windmills?
Yes.
So basically, Dad, we're basically about.
I think so, yes.
Take a photo of me.
I would not want to remember this.
Yeah, come on.
The point of photos is to remember. Why would you want to remember this?
This should be all real grass and turf.
Fia.
I didn't wear a nice outfit. Bro.
It's a bit daggy, bro. It's alright, you got your Crocs on.
Bit old.
I don't think it even matters. I just pick random stuff out of my stupid closet.
Well, I try
And
to look,
dad's songs.
I try to look stylish, but it also looks. Hey, look!
What?
So why'd you bring your stupid Lafuka?
Cause it's style. Where'd Mum go?
How's this style?
I know, Mum just walked.
Ask for photos.
Mum walked away over here.
No,
You buy stuff for you.
I'll post.
Not for looks.
Hey, Dad, did you know that people like Daniela from Qatar?
What?
Anyway,
What? Quick. Oh, look, there's a butterfly chair.
where? Oh, Mum, there's a butterfly chair.
Dragonfly.
When can we go on the Ferris wheel?
I didn't bring any cash.
Oh,
Yeah, I didn't.
stop.
I meant to, but I forgot.
What's going on?
Anyway, Dad.
Walk slower.
I'm not talking to you. Anyway, because it's hot and that's what just a goddamn tree. Hey, look. It's something.
There's a spider?
What do you do with the cannon?
Get a photo.
Mum, you're 37.
Photo of you.
Yeah, we've got this and one over there. Wait, oh, look, let's get some photos of the blue flowers.
Oh, that's. I don't know if I will. I can take a photo of you wearing blue.
Oops.
Ow.
Right.
Down now. Again. Can I?
Yeah, sit down for a couple of secs. You want me to hold it?
Gotta get you. I see your paint, Mum.
Huh?
I see your paint.
Here, here. Let's get with the flowers and Mum.
The sun.
There you go, there's your thumbnail.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're looking in the sun. Oh, I got sunnies on. See? Sunglasses. They work great. You need to get a pair of sunnies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the ones that actually fit me. Instead
Yeah.
of just old pairs. I'm gonna see where we are. Anyway.
Tyler's had enough of walking.
I'll show you. So there's that one, and then that one.
Where's the beehive?
Mum, there's a beehive in there.
Why don't you put the stupid bee warning close to the tree?
Look at all the bees, Mum.
Bees everywhere.
If you wanted to go away from the bees.
Active beehive.
Yep. There's food and drinks over there. I need to see where we are. They really updated this park.
Dad, what's pansy?
Give me that, because I'm going to do a video.
Huh?
Like a certain
Can we just
section of
have
the
one?
side.
Can I make a garden that's just of flowers? Please?
Isn't that new garden you just got at the back with those flowers in it?
No.
No, I just want a garden bed now, like that big. Can we do that?
Where are you going to put it?
In the yard, where there's the mountains behind, and then I can take photos there.
And then post it on your Insta or Facebook. You can. Looks so nice.
Yes, you can.
I got this, and it's basically used because it uses as a map and information, as well as a fan.
Cool for you, I guess.
Over to the next section.
I was going to say there's some shade.
Yeah. See, there's that one there again. These metal things on the trees.
I think we're getting closer to that statue. I'm not sure.
What's that?
Hey, Dad, can I have your phone so we can live stream?
At the front.
In here and check this out. Yeah, where you put your water fountain. That's just a hedge.
Yeah, but if you put your water fountain and no water and put the flowers in it.
No, it's a water fountain.
Maybe I need a big thing like that. I like that. I really like that.
How much is this day going to cost us? All your fancy ideas now. Right, so now we're going to walk down to this next section.
Yep. Yeah. On the.
Oh, look, that looks pretty cool, doesn't
On the
it?
map thing, like there's a statue. No? And look at that. Mom, look. Pretty cool.
Very well manicured and taken care of it is. Isn't it, Tyler?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you want a picture?
I do want a picture over there.
Picture in there?
Yep.
You go line up and get in there.
Take a picture of me. Ow. Go stand over there in that wall.
Didn't we see everything already? Like, this is all of it. There's nothing else.
Yeah, we just go down to the food trucks and whatever and...
Hungry. Why can't we just wait till we get hungry?
Good job.
Oh, that's nice because it's between those two.
Oh, you feeling good now, eh? Oh, what happened? Something got you?
No.
No? Oh, that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Made a little mark, but yeah, it's good. This is so hard.
Right, now we're going down to the gourmet burgers and all the food trucks. See what food they got, hey?
Yep.
What do you reckon?
Yep. So what are we really gonna have for lunch?
I reckon we go for pub feed.
Yeah, but we're too far from a pub.
I want to eat something
pub
different,
there.
like maybe to eat something here because it's different.
But I thought you meant like the main pub down there.
No, all this would be super expensive in here.
I'm probably gonna be.
What, they got donuts, pizza.
I don't want pizza now because yesterday we had
Afghan sweets.
I'm a random person.
Oh. Random?
Yeah, I don't know who that person is.
I don't know. It's on Facebook.
That's
That
a lot
must
of
be the end of it there.
Yep.
I'm guessing we've looked through everywhere.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, well that was the flower show.
Flower Festival.
Oh, flower festival.
And it gives me plenty of ideas, thank you.
Tyler had so much fun, didn't you, Tyler? You can't wait to come back next year? Tyler's not a big fan of flowers, but for you liked them, didn't you?
A little bit.
Yeah.
I was a little bit of
Alright, so now we've got to walk about a K back up to the car. We're going to go get some lunch. And yeah, we'll see what happens after that. You watch it, see how it changes colours?
Oh yeah.
Cool though. Harley Quinn. Cool though.
Yeah, that's cool.
Alright, so we just stopped for lunch. We found a Pizza Hut, and it's an old school one, which is all you can eat. So we're going to go in there and show the kids what it was like when we were little. All you can eat pizza, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. Pizza Hut. All you can eat.
She's 2 years old.
How many plates you going to eat?
1.
A lot.
Back in the 90s, this sort of style of Pizza Hut was what was around and was everywhere. But now there's only, what did you say, 2 in the world?
No, maybe in the country. Only a
2
couple.
in the country that allow this. So yeah, we wanted the kids to experience it and yeah, have fun.
So it was, for adults I think it was $24.95 all you can eat and $6.45 for unlimited drinks. But 15% surcharge on the Sunday, so that sort of sucked. But and then the kids are only $15 each, so
How much money altogether?
It
$150.
costs $143.85.
I mean, it's all you can eat, so that's not a fancy.
I'll give you a marshmallow for that.
No.
See, no deal.
Chick, chick. Now go to the other section. Go over there.
No, you're good.
Actually, wait. You forgot about this.
So we just finished having pizza at Pizza Hut in the old traditional style of buffet restaurant that they used to have. After researching, Jamie found out that there's more than a couple in Australia. There's actually a few in a few states.
3 in Queensland, 3 in New South Wales, 2, no, 1 in Victoria maybe, and 1 in Tasmania. Yeah, and then that's it. That's all you all can eat. But yeah, definitely fills you up, all that pastry, all the pizza. But it was pretty good.
Yeah, it definitely does.
Go there on an empty stomach.
Go there on an empty stomach. Don't go there when you're partially hungry because you sort of don't get what you pay for.
Yeah.
But at the same time, what did you guys think about it?
Oh, good.
Good?
Good. Yeah, I'm full now.
What did you enjoy the most?
Ice cream.
Ice cream, not the pizza.
I did enjoy the pizza too. I enjoyed all of it.
You enjoyed all of it?
Especially the oranges.
Oh.
I enjoyed all of it.
What about you, Tyler? Yes, Tyler's not a camera person, but we'd just like to say thank you for watching and make sure that you subscribe.
Yep. See you next week. Have a good one.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.